Here we have a couple of common style deadbolts for roll-up garage doors. They both function essentially the same in that the latch slides through a hole that is in the rail that the garage door rolls up on, and then you can attach a padlock to secure that, so that even if someone pulls the emergency release cord or somehow has access to roll up the door, this physically blocks the door from being able to be rolled up. The difference between these two is one has levers to actuate it and unlock it, and that can be attached to a cable mechanism or a T-handle on the outside of the garage door that's lockable. This one is simply manually operated both directions to engage or disengage the lock. These holes have been pre-drilled, and I'm also confirming that there's enough room for the bolt to pass through the rail and that there's enough room for the deadbolt to go on. So now we're just going to fasten this in place. That works, and then we're going to attach an ABUS padlock 83 series that's rekeyable to a Schlage in this instance, or a Quickset, so that the padlock matches the house key. Now that's secured. So even if the lock is bypassed or the garage door opener is decoded, this physically prevents the door from being able to roll up. The other feature of this is if someone gains entry to the home by breaking a window or compromising another door, this prevents them from being able to roll up the garage door and haul big stuff out. They have to exit the home the same way they came in.